In this video, I'll show you how to create tabs in Confluence with the tabs macro. So first and foremost, we need to go and get ourselves an add-on. So on the Confluence home screen, you will see the Explore More Apps section on the left-hand side. Then we want to go over to the Search for Apps section and just search for tabs. And then click on Tabs for Confluence. And then you just want to click on Try It for Free on the top right. You'll be brought here and just click on Start Free Trial, and that'll begin installing. Now, once that's done installing, we're going to go back to the For You page, and I'm just going to open up any random project here. Now we'll just type /tab, and we'll see our tabs here. Now we can do all kinds of things. We can name our tabs. We can add additional tabs. We can add icons. Change from vertical to horizontal view. You have full-on customization here with how you want your tabs to be. And once you're done experimenting and setting up your tabs, however, just hit save on the bottom right of this tab. And now you'll have these, and you can just start putting in whatever information you need for your tabs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.